Hey guys, this is CC Cycle 2, week 22 already. We only have 2 weeks left to complete the whole CC year. Great job, everybody. Today we're going to start with math, and we're learning the commutative law for addition and the commutative law for multiplication. The commutative law for addition states that A plus B equals B plus A. The commutative law for multiplication states that A times B equals B times A. The commutative law for addition states A plus B equals B plus A. The commutative law for multiplication states A times B equals B times A. A plus B equals B plus A. A times B equals B times A. A plus B equals B plus A. A times B equals B times A. All right, that is math. For English, we are doing coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions, we're going to do that to fanboys because we have for, and nor, but, or, yet, and so. And the first letters of all those words spells fanboys. So fanboys, 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 fanboys. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys, fanboys. One more time. Fanboys, fanboys. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys, fanboys. Okay, that is English. For history, tell me about the fall of communism. And that says that in 1989, the communist dictators began to fall in Eastern Europe when Soviet General Secretary Gorbachev, this is a G, okay, Secretary Gorbachev, refused to send them military, ASLM, aid. And this is the sign for help or assistance. So the song sounds like this. In 1989, the communist dictators began to fall in Eastern Europe when Soviet General Secretary Gorbachev refused to send them military aid. Once again, in 1989, communist dictators began to fall when Soviet General Secretary Gorbachev refused to send them military aid. And this is a sign for aid and assistance. Okay, for Latin, we have first conjugation endings in pluperfect tense, so we have our blue ram for first conjugation endings. And this is to remind us that it is our pluperfect tense, which sounds like blue, and it starts with aram. So we're going to remember that with our ram. So, aram, eras, erat, aramus, eratus, erant. First conjugation, pluperfect tense. Aram, eras, erat, aramus, eratus, erant. First conjugation, pluperfect tense. That is our Latin. For timeline, we have the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So we're going to do North, N-A-T-O. We're going to do the abbreviations for that. So North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Then we have the Korean War, same sign that we've had the last couple weeks. So the Korean War. And we have Martin Luther, so M-L, then we're going to do K for Martin Luther King Jr. and the Civil Rights Movement. Then we have Jim and Elizabeth Elliot, and for that we're going to make an E. So Elliot, Jim and Elizabeth Elliot, missionaries, so another M, to Ecuador. And so for the sign for missionary, we take an M and we bring it over our heart like this. Okay, missionaries to Ecuador. Then we have the Antarctic Treaty. It's cold there, so we're just going to shiver like it's cold. And then we have the Vietnam War. And then the last one, my favorite, is U.S. astronauts. We're going to do like a rocket, astronauts, and a person. So the astronaut is a person who goes up to space in the rocket. So astronaut walks on the moon. So that's U.S. astronauts walk on the moon. And that is our timeline for week 22. Then we have geography. And for geography, we're learning about Oceania. And here we have Indonesia, which is these islands here, all this group of islands. Papua New Guinea. We have Australia, the Great Barrier Reef here, and then down here on this south we have New Zealand. And we're going to sing this to the tune of Apples and Bananas. And I have a friendly shark who's going to go on this journey with us. So, Oceania, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia, Great Barrier Reef, then New Zealand, Oceania, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia, Great Barrier Reef, and New Zealand. One more time. Oceania, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia, Great Barrier Reef, and New Zealand. And that's our geography. And then last but not least, we have science. For science, what are some ways light is observed? So we have reflection. Then we have refraction, where you put something in the water and it looks like it's moved, right? Refraction. We have spectrum, and then we have wave and particle. So once again, what are some ways light is observed? Reflection, refraction, spectrum, wave, and particle. And that is all of our memory work for Cycle 2, Week 22. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye.